this is Slay the Runway, a safe space for queer youth for expression. It's designed for LGBTQIA identified teens to come together, and we teach them some basic sewing skills. Everybody comes from different high schools, and so they get to meet each other, hang out, make friends. Celebration is always what our theme is. It's to celebrate them, and they bring whatever their favorite looks are. We also help them with a pretty high power, full fashion production so that we can really celebrate them in a space with their family and with their friends and just give them an opportunity to just be awesome and show off all their amazing gifts.
It's been such a great, positive environment and space for creative queer teens, and I think it's a safe space. It's a place that inspires and helps promote us, and I think that's a really important thing to have, and I've really enjoyed being a part of that.
Oh, you got blue for it. That dress just has so much energy. It's a pretty heavy time in the world right now, right? And I think that this will just give us at least an hour, a moment of joy, right? A moment of celebration, a moment to know that queer community is strong, that we are not going anywhere, and that we are part of every community.
Let me hear you say yeah.
For people able to come and celebrate and be open and out and proud, and everybody get to do whatever they want to do, and for us to be here and support that, I think is really important. My hope is that when people walk off the runway, they continue to walk that way through their daily life with that confidence, that strut, with the image of everybody like waving rainbow flags and freaking cheering for them as they walk down the streets. So that's what I want. That's what I want everybody to have.